Hi everyone, I have chosen Boeing to conduct a financial statement analysis. Boeing is a leader in the aircraft manufacturing industry. Some people like to travel, some often fly by plane for business, some fly home to other countries. Safety and comfort of airplanes are important for all passengers. That is why I was interested in taking Boeing for the purpose of this project. Boeing has offices around the world in more than 65 countries. Headquarters are located in Arlington. The main production facility is located in Seattle. I would like to point out that more than 17% of the company's customers are located outside the United States. As I noted earlier, the company is involved in aeroplane manufacturing and aerospace development. Product revenue for 2022 is nearly $56 billion, up $5 billion from 2021. Daniel Calhoun has been president and CEO of the company since January 2020. The main competitors in the industry for Boeing are Airbus, the world's second largest company based in Europe. Other major companies in the industry include Embraer from Brazil, Comas from China, and Irkut from Russia. The company describes itself as a leading global aerospace company that designs and manufactures. The company is a leading exporter to the U.S. and is committed to innovation and leadership in sustainability. Boeing includes in annual report in addition to financial statements such as the balance sheet, profit and loss statement, statement of equity and statement of cash flows, non-financial statements such as the sustainability report in which it discloses its environmental, social and governmental relations activities. The company has total assets of $137 billion as of December 31, 2022, compared to nearly $139 billion of the same date in 2021. In terms of liabilities, the total amount from December 31, 2022 is almost $153 billion, while it was slightly higher than $153 billion of the same date in 2021. Using an accounting equation to determine equity, subtracting the amount of liabilities from the amount of assets, we get a negative value of $16 billion for the 2022 accounting year and $15 billion for the 2021 accounting year. This converges with that is presented by the company. According to Boeing's annual report, the senior vice president and controller is responsible for financial reporting. The company doesn't describe its internal control procedures in its report, but an auditor's report is provided with an opinion that the risk of fraud and misrepresentation are minimal. Thank you.